In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use instant messaging on Microsoft Teams. If you're new to Teams or just want a quick refresher, instant messaging is one of the easiest ways to communicate with coworkers, classmates, or groups without setting up a full meeting. It's great for quick updates, simple questions, or ongoing conversations that need a faster response than email. To get started, go to Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Once Teams opens, make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access your chats and contacts. After you're on the main Teams screen, look for the chat area where your recent conversations and contacts are usually listed. This is the hub for direct messages and group messaging. Next, choose the person or group you want to message in your chat list. If you already have an existing conversation with them, simply click on it to open the thread. If you're working with a group, select that group chat instead. This is helpful because it keeps all related messages in one place, making it easier to follow the conversation and respond in context. Once the chat is open, move to the Compose box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your message. Click into the box and enter the text you want to send. Keep your message clear and concise, especially if you're sending a quick update. If you're chatting in a group, it can also help to be specific so everyone understands what you're referring to. After your message is ready, hit send. Your message will immediately appear in the conversation, and the other person or group members will be able to see it right away, depending on their notification settings and whether they're currently online. That's all it takes to send an instant message in Microsoft Teams. The basic process is simple. Open Teams, select a chat, type your message, and send it. If you're using Teams regularly, this can become one of the fastest ways to stay connected and keep work moving smoothly. As a final tip, before sending, take a quick second to review your message for clarity and tone, especially in group chats. Clear communication helps avoid confusion and makes collaboration much easier. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to use instant messaging on Microsoft Teams.